Bonjour. Today's lesson is titled aller because this is a verb that you're going to be learning, aller. And aller means to go, so we're going to talk about going to places. So we're just going to quickly go over the place names again. So they are le château, le restaurant, le cinéma, la piscine, le musée, le stade, la plage, la bibliothèque, le centre commercial, l'aéroport, le café, le théâtre, l'école, l'hôpital, le parc, la ville, l'église, le marché ou le supermarché, le centre-ville, la gare, la poste, le magasin, la boutique, l'hôtel, et la maison. So as already said, aller is a verb that means to go, and it's an irregular verb. So you have to memorize its conjugation. The one good thing about aller is that in the nu and vous form is conjugated as though it's a regular ER verb because we take off that ER ending, we had ONS and EZ. The other four forms, though, are very irregular. So they are je vais, tu vas, il, elle, va. Now, one way to remember this is that in each form, going from je to tu, from tu to il and elle, the verb loses a letter. So in vais, we have V-A-I-S, and you take out that I for the tu. And then in the tu form, you have V-A-S, and you drop the S, and you're left with va. So that might be a trick to help you remember that you drop is, I-S, is. The other form that is irregular is ils, elles, vont. And then we have nous allons, vous allez. So, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. And it looks like there's an S missing at the end of the L plural, so we'll go ahead and add that in. And there we are. So far we have our vocabulary, and we have the verb aller, to go. We need one more piece to be able to actually make these complete sentences, and that is a preposition. So in this case, we're going to use the word à. And à can mean several words. It can mean to, it can be in, at. We're going to use it more here for to, going to someplace. So when à meets le, for example, if you're going to le château, to the castle, when à meets le, the French don't like the sound of à le. It sounds weird to them. So what they do is they bring them together. So à and le become o. So instead of having je vais à le château, they say je vais au château. Au château. Okay? Like so. Au château. Right? Now, in the feminine, à and la stay à la. So if you're going to, let's say, the beach, à la plage. That doesn't change at all. À la plage. Okay? Now, if you're going to multiple places of the same nature, let's say you're going to different stores. So you're going to magasin. So, à and les become o. You don't pronounce the X at the end, but it is there. So, o. So you would see something like au magasin, because we're going to multiple stores. All right? Lastly, just like in a la, when it meets the L apostrophe, so à l'école, for example, it doesn't change. It still stays à and L apostrophe. So we'll see these in their full context on the next slide. Okay, so we have je vais au château. Okay, we have the O right here. Now remember, château is masculine, AU is also masculine because it has that A plus the le. Now if we take a look at the next one, nous allons à l'école, we have A, L apostrophe. And just like we said before, that doesn't change. So all we have to do is add the A before l'école. And the next one, we have a feminine noun. Ils vont à la bibliothèque. Bibliothèque is feminine, so we see the la there, and all we have to do is add a before it. Lastly, we have elle va au magasin. They're going, or excuse me, she is going to the store. So we have elle va au, plural, magasin. Okay, more than one store, so AUX, and the lay is included in that. So you kind of have to group them together. AUX, a la, a, L apostrophe, and O, AU. That is where I'm going to leave you, so I'm going to wish you bonne chance, and I will see you next time.